Okay. See, first he had cutted the cheek. Once again, I am repeating. He had cutted the flesh from the cheek. Then he first banded here. Then after that, he had inserted 2 pipes to the nostrils. Then after that, he has placed the cutted flesh on the top of the nostrils. After placing that, he has used some powders of licorice, red sandalwood, and an extract of Indian barberry. Okay, after applying all the powders, he enveloped everything in a cotton. So finally, on the top of the cotton, he has added some sesame oil to get it tight. Once everything is done, he had put a bandage from the top of it. Understood, Nana? The surgery is completed there, plastic surgery. But nowadays, if you go to hospital for the same plastic surgery, it costs lot of money. But Sushrita already he had done this surgery in an old age with the things which are available. Okay, from the things which are available or the things which he had taken from plants. Understood, Nana? So, you see, red sandalwood extract, licorice, and Indian barberry. These are the things which are being available for plants only, no? So, he has used them only. Next, Nana. Before the traveler left, he was given instructions on what to do and what not to do, and a list of medicines and herbs he was to take regularly. He was also asked to come back after a few weeks to be examined. In this manner, Sushrita mended a nose some 26 centuries ago, and what he did is not greatly different from what a plastic surgeon would do today. In fact, Sushrita is today recognized as a father of plastic surgery all over the world. His Terastite Sushrita Samhiti has considerable medical knowledge of relevance even today. It indicates that India was far ahead of the rest of the world in medical knowledge. Okay, now see, now the traveler had undergone an operation. So after that, before he was leaving, Sushrita has given him a detailed instructions like what precautions he has to take, what things he has to do, what not to do, everything he has mentioned along with the precautions. Even he has given some herbs, okay, like medicines to consume, at what time he has to consume, and asked him to come back after some days to check whether the operation what he had done was it success or requires any further assistance. So in this manner, Sushrita had mended, performed. The meaning of mended is performed. And nose some 26 centuries ago. So before the para we have learned he had done an operation. So that is the operation which he has performed 26 years, centuries, Dana, 26 centuries before only. So the operation what he had performed is equal to the plastic surgeries what present doctors are doing. So like that, Sushrita is considered as the father of plastic surgery. Okay, he is considered as the father of plastic surgery. I know the Terastite, the book which he has written, Sushritaastram, is a revered book used by the plastic surgeons of modern also. Okay, so like that we can say India is a far ahead in the world in performing this operation. Yes or no? We can very proudly say that India is a very far ahead in performing plastic surgery because Sushrita has done plastic surgery 26 centuries before only. So only he is being treated as father of plastic surgery. Okay. Now we will learn about where he was born and other things. Born in the 6th century, Sushruta was a descendant of the Vedic sage Vishwamitra. He learned surgery and medicine at the feet of Devadas Dhanvantri in his hermitage at Varanasi. Later, he became an authority in not only surgery but also in other branches of medicine. So, such a great person. He was born in 6th century, Nana. So, his gurus know. See, one word is given there, that is descendant. Descendant means disciple, Sishuru. Okay? Whose disciple was he? He was the disciple of Vishwamitra. He learned surgery and medicine at the feet of Devadas Dhanvantri in his heritage. Okay? His teacher who taught him medicine and surgeries, how to do surgeries, what medicines to be given, that now he has learned from his teacher Devadas Dhanvantri in his hermitage. Hermitage here is ashram. Okay, Nana? Which is in Varanasi. Later, he became an authority not only surgery but also in other branches of medicine. See, after learning techniques from Devadas Dhanvantri, he not only became a surgeon but also he was capable of dealing with other branches of medicine. Understood, Nana? Next, he was the first physician to advocate what is today known as the Kesselring operation. He was also an expert in removing urinary stones, locating and treating fractures, and doing eye operations for cataract. His suggestions to give wine to patients about to be operated upon makes him also the father of anesthesia. See, now Sushruta was also first physician, okay, to deal with what today is known as castrain. He not only was a surgeon but also he is a specialist in removing the stones which are formed in body and the fractures which happens to us, and also he is a specialist in making eye operations. So his motto of giving wine to people before they are operated makes him the father of anesthesia also. So giving wine to the people who has to be operated is to make their sense organs numb. Yes or no? But present days, if you go to hospital, if you have to take any surgeries, what they do, they give anesthesia. Today's anesthesia is equal to the thing which he has given in those days. So he was also the father of anesthesia. Okay, Nana. In his terrestrites, Sushruta listed 101 types of instruments. His samdams, yantras are the first forms of modern surgeons. Springs, forceps, and dissection and dressing forceps. In fact, his system of naming surgical tools after the animals or birds they resemble in shape, for example, crocodile forceps, hawkbill forceps, is adopted even today. Now, if you observe Sushruta's room, operation room, they almost consist of 101 type of instruments which are used for different type of operations. So, to the instruments, he has given the names of animals or birds according to their resemblance. ఆ టూల్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో ఆ ఇన్స్ట్రుమెంట్స్ ఆపరేషన్స్ కి యూజ్ చేస్తారో వాటికి రకరకాల యానిమల్స్ బర్డ్స్ నేమ్స్ ఇచ్చారు అకార్డింగ్ టు దే resemblance. Okay, next. Sushruta was also an excellent teacher. He told his pupil that one could become a good physician only if one knows both theory and practice. He advised his people to use carcasses and models of practice before surgery. Okay, Nana. See, Sushruta is also an excellent teacher because he advised his students not to confine themselves to the theory. If they want to be a successful person, like if they want to become a successful doctor, even they should have the knowledge of practice. Both theory and practice makes a person perfect. So he advises his students to perform practices before surgery. Understood? So this is an extra act taken from Scientist of India, published and by Children's Book Trust, New Delhi. So this is an article which was being published in the Children's Book Trust book. So from there it was being adapted. Adapted means it was being taken. So after learning this lesson, we will learn that Sushmita Indian, okay, who belongs to India, was the first person to perform plastic surgery. He was treated as the father of plastic surgery, and also he was treated as the father of anesthesia. Understood?